Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here, you're looking at a gorgeous 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra Factory 5. Beautiful red side pipes, beautiful wheels, roll bar. This is a MK2 kit, which are very popular. Gives you a little more room for those big boys. A lot of money was spent on this. The dash, all the gauges. It's got a 5-speed Tremec 5-speed. Nice wheels. There you go. 302.5 little V8 with methanol, a little supercharge, probably roughly 345, maybe a little more horsepower wise. Very, very nicely done. I think it's gonna rain, especially here in Oregon. This is the best part, this is turnkey.